In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove these sliding glass doors. This is for a tub. It might work about the same for a shower. These are also Delta doors, but again, it'll probably be similar for other brands. So the first thing I want to do is come in here, and on the bottom, there is this bracket right here. And on the back side, there's two Phillips screws, and I want to remove those. Now there's a little bit of silicone in here, so you might have to fight that if that's the case for you. And I'm probably going to have to cut the silicone on the bottom here to get this bracket off. There's one screw. I'm just going to carefully run a knife on the bottom here. I need to re-silicone this anyways. The sides. Just try and break this free. There we go. That bracket's out. And it's disgusting, so we're going to clean it before we put it back on. So I'm going to start with the inside door, and as I roll this out this way, you can see right here, there's two brackets. Here's one right here with a wheel on top, and that just sits up in a track here. So basically all I want to do is lift up, go this way a little bit out, and then I can come down and the door will be off its track. But I want to be careful because this is glass and you don't want to break it. I believe it's tempered, so if you do break it, it's not as bad, but try not to break it. So, just gonna lift up off that track, pull it down, watch the bottom, and the door is out. Watch all your corners because you might tap something, anything solid, and it could break the glass. Not to scare you or anything. Two people would probably be good too. And I'm gonna put it somewhere safe. I happen to have this nice foam right here. I'll just lean it up against this wall. Nice and even, just like that. And now with it out, you can see these rollers really good. This would be a good time to adjust these if you had to. If it's off or if it's self-closing or something like that, it has a spot right here where you can adjust and change this wheel. You just take the screw out on the back side, put it in any one of these slots. Next, same exact thing. I'm just gonna lift up. One got caught a little bit, that's okay. Just look at every corner when you're moving it. And remember which panel goes where. Make it easier to reinstall. Now to reinstall them, you just do the opposite. Just remember which one goes where. And be careful. Lift it up into that track. Make sure those wheels are sitting there. Good. And grab the other one. Lift it up there. Make sure it's sitting in there. It's rolling. Good. I'm gonna push them all the way this way. I've cleaned my little bracket. I'll reinstall that. Line up the screw holes. Reinstall the screws. And you're good. So if for any reason you needed to remove your sliding glass doors, I hope this video helps. Now I just gotta clean mine. Ew.